Guys, it's 5:41 in the morning and I haven't done something dumb in a long time, so let's change that. We are going to the gas station on the motorcycle to get some energy drinks because honestly I've already pulled an all-nighter and I'm getting tired and I cannot sleep. So come with me to the gas station to get some energy drinks. Get this one. Got the goods, man. Guys, I would call this a successful 5 a.m. run because we got the drinks. But I'm gonna crack these open and give them a try. Definitely, if you guys like the content, go check out my channel. I post a lot of motorcycle content, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new here. As always, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. This is the behind the scenes footage. You guys get to see me try it. It smells pretty good. Oh, that's really good actually. Time for the Ghost Sour Patch Kid. I've always wanted to try this one. Oh, I just made a mess everywhere. Oh, it smells just like a Sour Patch Kid. Ooh, oh my gosh, that's good.